morning all of you. Hydroxy compounds, alcohols. Short answer question 20. The question given is 3,3 dimethyl butane 2-all on treatment with concentrated H2SO4 to give tetramethyl ethylene as a major product. Suggest a suitable mechanism. This is nothing but Says-Off rule. The compound given is 3,3 dimethyl butane 2-all. Molecular formula CH3, CH3, this is the third carbon, butane, second carbon CH2-all, OH and CH3. We know there are two pair of electron on oxygen atom. This compound is given with the IUPAC name 3,3 dimethyl butane 2-all. When treated with concentrated sulfuric acid HOSO3H, this H becomes plus, bisulfate becomes minus. Oxygen donate a pair of electron to hydrogen. That bisulfate is removed in the first step. Now, a new bond is formed between oxygen and hydrogen. CH3, CH3, here you have one methyl, CH, oxygen now donate a pair of electron to the H plus of consulfuric acid. Here one more CH3. There is a positive charge on oxygen. We know whenever oxygen donate a pair of electron, it remove a pair of electron from nearby bond. Now this oxygen remove a pair of electron from nearby bond. Carbon lost its electron, charge on this carbon becomes plus. Loss of minus H2O, oxygen, hydrogen. Already it has one pair of electron, another pair of electron is from nearby bond. Now this carbon, that is alpha carbon, get positively charged. CH3, CH3, here you have one CH, there is a positive charge on oxygen atom. Last carbon is CH3. Now I separate one hydrogen from the last carbon atom. One hydrogen is separated. Here you have one hydrogen. And one methyl group is present here. Here you have one methyl group, CH3. This is your alpha carbon, beta. Right hand side beta carbon, one hydrogen containing one hydrogen. That hydrogen, if it is removed as H plus, the bond between carbon and hydrogen, if this hydrogen is removed as H plus, this bond is shifted between alpha and beta carbon atom, gives an alkene. Now I write the molecular formula for alkene. Here CH3, single bond carbon CH3, here you have one methyl CH3, then single bond CH, a double bond is formed CH2. H plus is removed. That elimination of H plus is called beta elimination. From beta carbon, one H plus is eliminated. That is called beta elimination. Now, one more step we have in this place. Methyl from this beta carbon shifted along with the bond to the positively charged carbon atom. So here what happens? Methyl shift. So what is the molecular formula? Now I write the molecular formula. CH3, I write one hydrogen, CH3. Here you have one carbon, CH3. There one carbon, it contains one hydrogen. This methyl is shifted from this carbon atom to that carbon atom, CH3. Last carbon, we have one CH3. Now, the first carbon contains one hydrogen. Now, I indicate that hydrogen here. This carbon contains one hydrogen. Now, where the positive charge is present, if methyl minus is shifted from this carbon atom, there is a positive charge on this carbon atom. Now, if this is considered as the alpha carbon atom, this is beta and this is also beta. From this carbon, one H plus is removed, a double bond is formed between these two carbon atoms. Or if this H plus is removed, a double bond is formed between these two carbon atoms. So, there are two possibilities of removal of H plus. If this hydrogen is removed as H plus, this bond is shifted between first and second carbon atom, gives an alkene with the molecular formula CH2, double bond C. Here you have one methyl and one more CH3 and CH3. Instead, if this hydrogen is removed as H plus from beta carbon atom, this bond is shifted between these two carbon atoms, gives another alkene. First carbon is CH3 carbon, CH3, single bond CH3. Here a double bond is formed, double bond C, CH3, CH3. Now, I am going to write the IUPAC name of all these alkene. One of the IUPAC name is given in our problem itself. So, here 1, 2, 3, 4. When you give numbering 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon butane, carbon double bond in, position of double bond 2, and second, third carbon atom containing 2 methyl group, 2, 3 dimethyl but 2N. Then, what is the name of this compound? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon butane, carbon double bond in, position of double bond 1, second and third carbon containing 2 methyl group, 2, 3 dimethyl but 1N. What is the name of the last alkene? When you give numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, same 4 carbon butane, carbon double bond in, position of double bond 1, third carbon contain 2 methyl group, 3, 3 dimethyl but 1N. Double bonded carbon atom is, this is double bonded carbon atom. In this double bonded carbon atom, only 2 substituents are present. One is methyl, another one is isopropyl. In this double bonded carbon atom, 4 methyl alkyl substituent are present, more alkyl substituent. This is your 2, 3 dimethyl but 2N, simply called tetramethyl ethylene. Here also only one substituent. So, 2 alkyl substituent, 4 alkyl substituent, only one alkyl substituent. So, 33% of this alkene is formed, but in the case of 4 alkyl substituent, 64% of tetramethyl ethylene is formed due to the presence of only one alkyl substituent. 3% compounds are only formed. During the intramolecular dehydration, if there is a possibility to form a carbon-carbon double bond at a different location, the preferred location is the one that gives more substituted alkene, that is a stable alkene. This is where says of rule. Thank you for watching. If you like, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.